phone?
A telephone.
It is a telephone. Your job is to make a phone call successfully.
What?
Do you know any phone numbers? You are not allowed to touch. You back up.
It calls anybody?
You come over here.
Yeah.
You cannot
Does it
touch,
actually
'cause
work?
You'll figure it out first.
Yeah.
No, it does not. Look at
Well, yeah.
That's the antenna. It's a wireless phone.
Okay.
It's the first wireless.
I was like, my dad's really gonna get a call.
Yes. No. So if you know a phone number, you're gonna use your dad's phone number. Okay. If you got a phone number, so you have to figure out how to make a call the right way. Like if you needed to make a phone call with this phone. What?
How do we know if it worked or not?
I
We'll
think I'm
tell
gonna
you
fix
if
it.
it is.
I want to try.
Okay. I'm gonna.
Can we do anyone's phone number?
Any phone number, and I'll just tell you if you've actually successfully called it. So you'll do what you need to do, and I'll say you've passed or you failed. Okay, so like the whole thing, so like if you were like, I need to call this person, okay, show me how you would get this to work to where you would say hello.
How
Okay,
do we?
Okay,
I think I know. I have to do this 7 times and then.
okay, all right, let's figure this out.
Wait, how do you move
Shh,
it?
don't say, I can't.
How do you? Oh.
I get it. I know how to do it. I know how to do it. Can I help her? Can I help her? Can I help her? I know how to do it.
How do you go? Oh wait.
Are you doing it?
Oh no.
Are you done? So you're talking to somebody right now? You failed. You're not having a conversation with a single person right now. That is not a phone call.
Okay.
All right, Riley. How would you like the whole thing? Okay, so then you. So how do you start? Like, what do you do to start?
Any buttons on here?
Harper, do you know this already?
Don't. No, Harper's not allowed to talk.
I know.
I know.
How to do it.
You're not allowed to talk.
Nobody taught me. I just figured it out.
What
I
is
know.
this thing for?
I think you're supposed to do this, like that. Aren't you?
I feel like go around 7 times.
No, you don't. Why would you do that?
Oh, like
Hold up, I'll teach you how to do it.
you didn't even call
No, it's her turn.
anybody.
It's her turn.
Those circles don't count. I haven't called anyone yet.
All right. Tell me when you're ready to start. How you would call
Is
it?
this grandma's phone? Or something like that?
Grandma Kay's.
Oh.
Reilly.
No, that's not how you're supposed to do it.
One.
Yes, I do. I just needed to pick up the phone after I
Two.
dialed it. No, I think you're supposed to hold the phone while you're dialing it, right? Riley,
You're doing the same thing as Reagan.
Riley, you're doing it terrible. Let me do it. Stop, I'm not done. No, you're not supposed to put it out. Oh my. Are you doing Dad's phone number? That's the only thing
That's
you
the only
knew.
number I know.
Is it hard to spin?
Right.
You're struggling.
She's going on every dot.
Oh, she's stopping at all the dots.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's struggling.
Riley, stop.
Is the phone number almost over? That's a long phone number.
She's doing it a long time. She did this. It's upside down. No, don't do it. Okay.
Okay, Carly and
wait.
or Chloe's turn.
All right, it's Chloe's turn.
Was I successful?
Nope,
We're
no.
not successful.
Go all the way over here, and then because let I go, picked and it then up do the after? next number?
You do it. You just do whatever you think.
I think that's how you're supposed to do it.
No, because you wouldn't be able to make a phone.
You are not allowed to speak.
Harper, you ready for bed? Harper, you can go to bed now.
We can't have you do it because you've already figured it out. This is the way your brain works. You are made for this. You're going to show them how to do it at the end. You're the last. There you go.
We can play Uno. Well,
It's not going anymore.
Did you see how she did it? Did you see what she did? Watch.
she is doing it right. Okay.
Oh, you
It went-
press it down.
Oh.
Press it down.
No.
Who are you calling?
I don't know.
You're supposed to. Just spin it.
You have to do it. How many? Like 3, 2. Would
Can
be
I get a second
6.
try?
That would be 10. No, I'm
Yeah.
going
I
after.
want redemption.
No, I
You want redemption?
Carly. I'm done. I'm doing it after Carly.